All right, Charlie and I just arrived at Hard Off in Saitama. What are your expectations for the store, Charlie? Speak up, I got the microphone on me.
Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Either we'll find the stuff we're looking for or we won't. Only time will tell.
All right, sounds good.
That's honestly, sometimes they're really great. Sometimes they're not.
I'm glad I own the soundtrack or the license to this song, so I won't get dinged for it on my YouTube. Well, it cost me $50 for a lifetime use of the license. Like, I bought it like 7 years ago. Oh. All right, where are the games at? Games, sorry. Pokemon cards and games.
There they are.
Oh man. All right. What I like about Hobby Off is they can clearly see the Pokemon card that you're looking at. These small stickers on the penny sleeves. You can clearly see what you're looking at. To my left, there's some vintage. Gotta check it out. Have to wait a little bit. There's a core promo. Nice. That's a magazine promo. There's another, I think that's vending. It's hard to tell. I'm sorry, that's a Neo card. See the Neo symbol on the bottom. This one right here. Horsey's is definitely a vending card. We got a lot of Neo cards. Some base set. Gym challenge. Some more vending series. Good to see. Not 100% sure if I picked all these up, but for $2 a piece, can't beat that. I might pick up all these vintage cards. I think some Neo bulk that I need. I believe it's Neo. It's hard to tell sometimes. I think, yeah, here's some trainers. There's some Neo trainers as well. Yeah, core. I think that's part of the CD promo, actually. It's the vending series here. Vending series, oh, it's so cheap. Neo trainers. Nice. I think I'm gonna pick up a bunch of these vintage cards from Master Sets. Sort of a glare. But it's all modern here. Nice Snorlax and Chansey. I think, yeah, I'll pick up all those cards. But I'm gonna do a quick loop around. This is a bunch of bulk. Nothing crazy, no bluebacks. Let me just go down here one more time. On this side, we got a lot of cards on these hooks, but they're kind of this bulk cards, one by one, 100 yen. So like, oh man, well, bulk, looks like base set. I kind of need it. I kind of need all this bulk. They're 100 yen. I think I'm gonna end up buying all these. Here's some fossil. Some more random vintage trainers. This is very good for bulk. I totally hit a gold mine here in Saitama. I think I'm gonna have to put the camera down here and pick up a bunch at Neo here, a bunch of these cards. I definitely need all of them for my master sets. So yeah, this is a good, very good stop. I think I'm gonna start here first. Pick up. This is, I believe, a Neo card. I forget which set of Neo, but one of the unknowns vending series here. This could be, I don't think it's Cora, but this is Gym Challenge or something. Neo. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna pick up one of everything. Cool. I love me some hobby off. Alright. Currently on search for Pokemon cards, but we don't know where they're at. I feel like we're getting close. Oh. That's nice. Okay, I found all the plushies though. Cards are that way. That is true. What's from the new set? That's from those 100. That's from those 100 packs sets. Ooh, that's nice. Akiruno, the vending series. I like the base set Venusaur, but 20,000 yen. I think that's slightly overpriced. Yeah, that's out of the new set that just dropped. I don't know how they even have it. It hasn't even been released yet. And this is the part where I get overwhelmed. There's a lot of cards here. What's unfortunate they do here is they put the stickers are over the cards, so you really can't see the card. They put it over the artwork, so you really can't see what you're looking at, unfortunately. Don't you hate that? They put the stickers right across the card.
Yes. Even more.
Now, there's a ton here. And you don't really see vintage in here. There could be strewn about, but they're very difficult to point out. Probably a lot of Scarlet Violet era cards in here, obviously. There's a range of cards. So many cards. Where's the vintage? No, we're not in Pokemon cards area anymore. Like Magic the Gathering. One Piece? Hololive cards. And you get back to the vintage cards. I think all the good stuff's in the case. Like this cool Pikachu cards. You can't really freaking see them. I've owned most of these cards over time. Probably traded some away here and there. It's unfortunately you can't see them, but this is what they're currently looking for. They'll buy these cards for me for that price. You know, Bubble Mew there, Mewtwo. Well, definitely, there's the Booger Mew, 1,800 yen. Apologies for the overhead. Man, I do not see any vintage though. At least it stands out to me. I apologize for the camera movement. I think there's some mid-air stuff in here. I just can't see what it is. There's definitely a muck right there, vintage muck. So there are vintage cards kind of hidden throughout here. It's definitely hard to see. Well, there's I think Entei, right? Hollow Entei, 9,000 yen. We have that one though. Oh, I see some vending cards, I think, through here. Some base set Squirtles. There might be a vending card in there hidden. I don't. Actually, no, there's no vending in there. Some base set bulk. Oop. Here's some vintage here. Polyrath. Some mid-air EX cards. I cannot see what these Pokemon are, unfortunately. Now that I slow down a little bit, you can kind of see what I'm looking at here. It's horrible sticker placement. You cannot see these cards. I apologize for that. Some base set Bulbasaur in there. There's some e-readers mixed up. Another muck. Man, I cannot see these cards, unfortunately. I think it's time to go to the next spot. All right, got some toys over here. Oh look, Pikachu. Looks just like the kind of one you see in Yokohama in a suit. Actually, well, it's not quite vintage, but fun cards. Not quite sure what they would be though. Find good games? You find any good games?
No.
What is that? Oh, Golden Axe.
Taking the copy of Golden Axe.
I'll walk towards the toy area. So I find the cards. A lot of toys. You know, I do collect retro toys as well, but focus at the moment is Pokemon cards. Let's try to find them. All right, Charlie, ready to look for So you ready to look for some Pokemon cards?
Am I looking for the Pokemon?
So are you ready to look for some Pokemon cards? I said. That's what we're here for, right? Pokemon cards?
I heard there were prostitutes.
What?
This
is a family-friendly channel, Charlie. You shouldn't be saying that type of
I
stuff.
hope they were women of the night.
I gotta blur you out now completely.
This anonymous man had this to say.
I can't even see if you're in the shot. It's so blinding. Here we go.
The wilds of Japan knows what possible treasures may be had.
I'm the one mic'd up, so I'm pretty sure they can only hear me.
Who knows what possible treasures may be had?
I think you're okay. You just spiked my audio, thanks.
It was on the second floor. I think we've...
Wait.
I think we gotta go back up.
We're just riding the escalator right now. We're just riding the escalator. Trying to get this book off plus. Look for some Pokemon cards.
Well, kids, looks like this one was a bust. Back to the car.
We just came here to ride the escalator.
This was a pretty good escalator. I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. I've been on better ones that were a little smoother, but this was okay. It wasn't a disaster by any means. Nobody died. There was no cost.
All right. Just follow the book off signs. We're not here for books though. We're here for Pokemon cards.
And books about Pokemon.
Yes, and books about Pokemon cards.
Book off seems oddly book heavy.
Yes, I would think so. Where are the cards at?
That way?
No, we've been here before. I think we've been here before.
What?
We've been here before.
No, this is a new one.
You sure? It seems like deja vu.
They all look the same, but this is a legit new one.
It's all the games, retro video games. Not my current focus right now, though.
They've got 700 and stuff.
Oh. Maybe this is some games.
I think you're Super Nintendo really. Well, I feel silly. Oh. Zombie Hunter. It's legit.